All right, everybody. It is October 28th. We've got a 5-box quarter case hoops break. Let me read everybody's teams. We got Pedro 424 with the Pistons, the Mavericks, the Grizzlies, the Spurs, Magic, Thunder, Bucks, Hawks, Wizards, and Jazz. Ken Gwyn 09 has the Portland Trailblazers. K0116 with the Toronto Raptors, Denver Nuggets, Minnesota Timberwolves. Good luck with that. Brooklyn Nets, New York Knicks, Philadelphia 76ers, Los Angeles Lakers. Wow, you went to town, dude. Cleveland Cavaliers, Indiana Pacers, Charlotte Hornets. VM Parts Inc. has the Miami Heat. The Furniture Guy has the New Orleans Pelicans. RGJ1105 has the Rockets. DPRYMA37 with the Bulls. Derek Osborne 87 with the Suns and the Sacramento Kings. Dogs 1986 with the Los Angeles Clippers. Feature Dunn with the Golden State Warriors. And Sarsis 9 with the Boston Celtics. It is 8:59 right now, so we gotta wait a minute before I can get breaking. Good luck to everybody. Hopefully, we can pull one or two monsters out of this. I haven't seen any hoops broken yet, so I don't know what it looks like. But looking at the autograph checklist, it looks pretty darn good. And by the way, if anybody wants personal boxes of this after the break, just let me know. I've got a few on tap. All right, got a few more seconds, and it is now 9 o'clock. If you can see that, there we go. So let's get ripping. By the way, veteran base in this break does not chip. Just rookies, inserts, numbered hits. Oh, yay, dummy cards. These are the same packs as Prism. I hate these damn things. So what are you up to tonight, Cross-X? All right, you're out. Oops. Sorry about that. Very good. How are you doing tonight? All right, here we go. Is that a rookie? No. We've got Pat Connaughton, rookie. Dummy card. We've got a Tyler Zeller, numbered 73 of 299. Bobby Portis, rookie. Kyle Lowry, triple-double. That is not numbered. And Walter Tavares, rookie. RJ Hunter, rookie. Sparkly, but not numbered. Rashad Vaughn, rookie. First auto for the Houston Rockets. Not numbered, Sam Decker. Sorry, Dakari Johnson, rookie. Tyus Jones, rookie. Damian Lillard, team leaders. Again, not numbered. RJ Hunter, rookie. Tony Parker, courtside. Not numbered. Nemanja Bjelica, I know I butchered that, rookie. Numbered 152 of 2015, Al Horford. And Terry Rozier, rookie. Another gold sparkly Victor Oladipo, not numbered. And Sam Decker, rookie. JJ Barea, number 266 of 299. Jordan Mickey, rookie. Pierre Jackson, rookie. Kristaps Porzingis, rookie. Justin Anderson, rookie. Mario Hezonja, rookie. Raymond Felton, green prism, not numbered. Darren Hilliard, rookie. James Harden, bird's eye view, not numbered. D'Angelo Russell, rookie. Should have one auto left coming in this. Road to the Finals, Jeff Teague, 620 of 999. Montrezl Harrell, rookie. By the way, if anybody knows how badly I'm butchering these, just correct me. Our second auto for the Mavericks, Dwight Powell. Ooh, there we go. Karl Anthony Towns rookie. This is Hoops from eBay. Just ended about an hour and a half ago. Hoops number 1 5-box break. Road to the finals, Damian Lillard, 1842 of 2015. Frank Kaminsky rookie. Blake Griffin, number 004 of 299. DeLon Wright rookie. No, our autos were Sam Decker and who was the last one I just pulled? Dwight Powell. Nothing for the Heat yet. This is just box 1 though. For the Cavs, LeBron returns to Cleveland highlights and LaMarcus Aldridge green. Miles Turner rookie. And the last little stack of Zach LaVine, high players, not numbered. Cameron Payne rookie. Brooke Lopez, team leaders. Justice Winslow rookie. Marcin Gortat. And Devin Booker rookie. And that does it for box 1. Let me move this stuff. All right, on to box 2. Yes, that was the first box of 5. This is box 2 now. All right, Kevin Looney rookie. And next autograph right off the bat for the Nets, Rondé Hollis Jefferson. Jordan Mickey rookie. Sam Decker rookie gold. These are not numbered. And a Sam Decker regular rookie. Man, Sam Decker's all over this stuff so far. Triple double Reggie Jackson, not numbered. Devin Booker rookie. Manu Ginobili 276 of 299. Justice Winslow rookie. Russell Westbrook team leaders numbered 52 of 99. Cameron Payne rookie. Pierre Jackson rookie. Road to the Finals, Derrick Rose, 906 of 2015. Trey Lyles rookie. Road to the Finals, LeBron James, 1620 of 2015. Andrew Harrison rookie. Kyrie Irving, picture perfect, not numbered. Jarrell Martin rookie. Team leaders Jeff Teague. Rakeem Christmas rookie. Kelly Dupree Jr. rookie. JJ Redick, numbered 94 of 299. Mike Dunleavy gold. Justin Anderson rookie. Team leaders Andre Drummond. RJ Hunter rookie. Gerald Henderson green, not numbered. Larry Nance Jr. rookie. Emmanuel Murray rookie. Jahlil Okafor rookie. Stanley Johnson rookie. And for the Phoenix Suns, hot signatures, Alex Len. Terry Rozier rookie. Road to the Finals, Mike Conley, 989 of 999. Nemanja Bjelica rookie. Timothy Mozgov gold. Willie Cauley-Stein rookie. James Harden, bird's eye view. Anthony Brown rookie. Courtside Chris Paul, not numbered. Emmanuel Mudiay rookie. Timothy Mozgov green. Rondé Hollis Jefferson rookie. Norris Cole, number 203 of 299. Jerry and Grant rookie. And last pack of box 2. I think we already pulled the rookie out of it. Yep. For anybody wondering, my daughter and my wife are playing right outside the office. And they're chasing each other in the hallway. Justin Anderson rookie. And our first auto right off the top. Pat Connaughton for the Portland Trailblazers. Andrew Harrison rookie. Sean Kemp, High Flyers. Jarrell Martin rookie. DeMarcus Cousins triple-double. Emmanuel Mudiay rookie. Road to the Finals, Damari Carroll, 578 of 999. Kelly Dupree Jr. rookie. Number 10 of 99, Bird's Eye View Artist Proof, Tony Parker for the Spurs. Kevin Looney rookie. Road to the Finals, 10-10 of 2015, Kawhi Leonard. Bobby Portis rookie. Courtside, Kobe Bryant. Pat Connaughton, rookie. Tyus Jones, rookie. For the Denver Nuggets, Eric Green, auto. Rakeem Christmas, rookie. Shelvin Mack, number 25 of 299. Chris McCullough, rookie. George Hill, team leaders. Walter Tavares, rookie. One 1739 of 2015, road to the finals, Marc Gasol. DeLon Wright, rookie. D'Angelo Russell, NBA Hoops Dreams, not numbered. Frank Kaminsky, rookie. DeAndre Jordan, team leaders. Devin Booker, rookie. Mario Hezonja, rookie. Gorgie Dieng, numbered 1 of 299. Kristaps Porzingis, rookie. .917 of 2015, John Wall, road to the finals. Miles Turner, rookie. Excuse me. TJ Warren, gold. Montrezl Harrell, rookie. DeAndre Jordan, bird's eye view. D'Angelo Russell, rookie. Action shots, Anthony Davis. This one is not numbered. Darren Hilliard, rookie. John Wall, gold. Dakari Johnson, rookie. Tyreek Evans, 149 of 299. Rashad Vaughn, rookie. D. Wade, green. A second Karl Anthony Towns, rookie. And that'll do it for box 3. Oops. All right, here we go with box 4, guys. Good luck. RJ Hunter rookie. Number 2 of 25, Jimmy Butler, courtside for the Bulls. Stanley Johnson. Trey Lyles. Oh, nice. For the Denver Nuggets, Emmanuel Mudiay, rookie, auto. This one is not numbered, but nice hit, Nuggets. Willie Cauley-Stein, rookie. D'Angelo Russell, NBA Hoops Dreams. How did I know you hit that? Jerian Grant, rookie. How did I know it was you? And Darren Hilliard for the Pistons. Not numbered. Rondé Hollis Jefferson. Have you had a break with me that you've not hit something really big? 560 of 999, D Rose, road to the finals. Anthony Brown, rookie. Jeez, dude. I saw your name come up, and I'm like, oh, there's going to be something huge in this break. Hassan Whiteside, triple-double. Larry Nance Jr., rookie. Oh, Matt didn't hit you anything? 284 of 299, Kawhi Leonard. Jahlil Okafor, rookie. 765 of 2015, Marcin Gortat, road to the finals. Terry Rozier, rookie. Action shots for Kobe Bryant. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this guy's name again, rookie. I figure I butchered it enough for one night, right? And James Harden, team leaders. Well, if you want to keep running, I do have extra boxes of this stuff. If you want to buy a full box. Russell Westbrook, team leaders. D'Angelo Russell. 454 of 2015, Marc Gasol. I'm hoping. Darren Hilliard, rookie. We've got 2 left, so I got you one of the big guys. LeBron, High Flyers. Mario Hezonja, rookie. I hate these foreign names. I know I butcher them. Kristaps Porzingis. Nikolai Vukovic. Miles Turner. Well, I did pull you 2 Towns base rookies. Drew Holiday, 103 of 299. DeLone Wright. So 2 Towns rookies so far, non-auto, and then the Mudiay. That's not bad. Mike Conley, 1403 of 2015. Sam Decker. There's another one. Kobe's All-Rookie Team. Not numbered. Langston Galloway. Frank Kaminsky. Jeff Teague. Devin Booker. And this is all PC stuff, right? You don't sell, do you? Pierre Jackson. Oh, here we go. 43 of 99, Nikola Mirotic, artist proof. Jordan Mickey. Bird's Eye View, James Harden. I think it's like a third one of those we've gotten. Justice Winslow. LeBron courtside. Cameron Payne rookie. And that will do it for box 4. One box, 2 autos left. And I'm hoping for a Towns, but I'm definitely not guaranteeing. I was just hoping we pulled one of the big names. You got the Lakers, though, too, right? Maybe we'll pull you like a Shaq or a D'Angelo or something. You know what? Let's do it pack by pack. Change it up a little bit. Road to the Finals, Paul Millsap, 1684 of 2015. And Kristaps Porzingis, of course you did. You got the Sixers? Robert Covington. And there's one more to add to your collection. Andrew Harrison. Chris Paul courtside. Miles Turner rookie. What did you get, like 4 or 5 of the 10 so far, or of the 9 so far? Bird's Eye View, Bradley Beal. DeLon Wright. And 3rd or 4th D'Angelo Russell rookie. James Harden, 393 of 999. Darren Hilliard rookie. I almost want to say Damian Lillard. Bogdanovich gold. And Mario rookie. Oh, nice. Jabari gold. Rashad Vaughn rookie. Team leaders, Zach Randolph. And there's a 3rd Towns for you. T-Mac, High Flyers. And Montrezl Harrell. Highlights LeBron and Robin Lopez, green. And Pat Connaughton. You're very welcome, sir. Alfred Payton Artist Proof, 29 of 99. Tyus Jones rookie. Road to the Finals, James Harden, 1409 of 2015. And Dakari Johnson. Last stack, and we've got one auto left. Goran Dragic green. And Chris McCullough rookie. Yeah, let's finish with a bang. Jerry and Grant, NBA Hoops Dreams. And Walter Tavares rookie. Bobby Portis rookie. That tiers 2, right? OJ Mayo, number 19 of 299. Jarrell Martin. No Bulls? Rudy Gobert. Rakeem Christmas. This last auto is making us wait. Chris Paul, triple-double. Willie Cauley-Stein. 5 packs left. Kelly Dupree rookie. There's the auto. Lou Williams, number 83 of 299. Anthony Brown. Kevin Looney, Artist Proof, rookie, 31 of 99. Another Moutier. Carmelo Picture Perfect. Justin Anderson rookie. And here we go. Kevin Looney rookie. Do you have the Celtics? Jordan Mickey for the Boston Celtics is our last rookie auto. And that does it for the break.